Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Consider the reaction. See, they have given the reaction. What is the quantity of electricity in coulomb needed to reduce 1 mole of Cr2O7 2- dichromate ion? From the question, it is very clear that 1 mole of dichromate require 6 mole of electron to undergo reduction and to become what? Cr3 plus. Correct, right? Okay, 1 mole of dichromate require 6 mole of electrons to get reduced. Correct, right? Now, what is the charge of 6 mole of electron? What is the charge corresponding to 6 mole of electron? We know charge of 1 mole of electron is what? Charge of 1 mole of electron is what? 96500 coulomb. So what is the total charge for 6 mole of electron? Total charge of 6 mole. Right here 6 mole is there. 6 mole of electron is what? Of course it should be 6 into 96500 coulomb. On calculating you will get 579,000 coulomb. Hope all of you understand.